Hi guys, some of you will have seen my video where I was asked to do a solar rocker with a lenticular bookmark, and I didn't have anything that was lenticular that I could use, so I just used one of my business cards. Well, going through my cupboard I found this, a magna puzzle. It's called a magna puzzle because the puzzle is magnetic. It's magnetic pieces. And you just have to arrange them so they all line up like a jigsaw. But I was looking at it and realised that it is lenticular. I don't know if I can get that in the right position so you can see it moving. You can just about see it moving. So I've pinched 3 of the pieces and I've stuck them on the back of my business card so we can get some impression of what a lenticular bookmark would look like when it's actually rocking. I haven't got that quite lined up right at the moment. It's pulsing rather than rocking regularly. I think you can see the 3D effect though. So that's what we should have had originally. Well, it's still not perfect, it's not actually a bookmark, but it's about as close as I can get at the moment. I've been searching on eBay and they're silly prices. Apparently the one that I'm looking for is a dancing girl, which I assume means she kicks her legs up or something. But at least we can see the effect. You can see it better at the bottom than you can at the top. So if I just take that off, and that's just my business card with 3 of those pieces just taped on the front temporarily. And that's the bottom out of a solar rocker. And a couple of bits of copper wire there just to give us the pivot points. And then you put him on top. You've got to get it lined up just right to get the best effect. If you're not quite right, then it does that sort of pulsing rather than... So that's still the same build that I did before, but I've just stuck something lenticular on the front with horizontal lines on it, so it does the change as it rocks that way rather than side to side. That should be better. We're on the tripod now. Obviously I'm using spotlights because it's dark outside, so we can't actually show it in sunlight. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.